Here are 8 stocks that pay over a 5% dividend. But remember, sometimes a really high dividend can be a red flag. In other words, the stock price has dropped dramatically, which means that the yield has gone up. And other times a company might pay a good dividend, but they lack any sort of real growth. And that just means that you might prefer to invest in something like an S&P 500 index fund that has a higher return. Now, you might be saying, hey, if these are red flags, you shouldn't be making that video. That's inappropriate, but I disagree. I think talking about the risks is important, especially when it comes to showing you what to look for. So let's take a look. And the first one on the list is Ford. And you can see that they pay a dividend of 7.32%, but it comes with a warning. And one thing you can do is use a website like Seeking Alpha. Click on this tab that says dividends. Yes, in order to see the dividend safety grade, you do need a premium account. And yes, there is a link with a coupon code in my bio if you really want to try it. And by the way, I just got an email from Seeking Alpha the other day saying, hey, heads up, we are raising our prices dramatically. So if you want to lock in the rate, now's the time to do it. But you can see right here that they have a dividend safety grade of F. Another thing I like to look at is something called the payout ratio. Anything under 60% is pretty good. If you don't know what a payout ratio is and you have Seeking Alpha, you can just click on it and it'll tell you. I also like to look at dividend growth, and you can see that Ford only has 1 year of dividend growth. Not great. Another thing I like to look at is free cash flow. I'm using MarketWatch for this, and you can see right here that Ford's free cash flow is up quite a bit. I'm not even sure, is this accurate? Oh my God. If you're a huge nerd and you want to do a deep dive on the fundamentals, check this out. All you got to do is go right here, click on the menu, which is right here, click on the fundamental analysis template, which is right there. You will see some videos on how to use it right here if you don't know how, and you can click on a link and the template will eventually open right here. It's totally free. Next stock on the list is Rio Tinto. They pay a dividend of 7.25%. We have AT&T that pays 5.16%. Then we have Frontline, not the flea and tick prevention pill for your pets. It's an oil and gas pipeline and transportation stock, and their dividend is 11.16%. We have Energy Transfer, also oil and gas storage and transportation. They pay an 8% dividend. Enbridge, also oil and gas storage and transportation, 6.64% dividend. Vale, I never know how to pronounce it, was gonna be on my list, but then I found out that they actually eliminated their dividend completely. Yikes. And the last one on the list that also comes with a warning is Wendy's, high risk of cutting their dividend, but currently they pay 5.83%. Wendy's payout ratio is 102%. If you thought this video was helpful and you want to learn more about investing, make sure you smash that follow. All right, thanks for watching. See you later.